Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to customize Always On Display on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. First, we want to go into Settings, scroll all the way a little bit down, and click Lock Screen and AOD. First of all, we want to make sure that our Always On Display is turned on. And in order to customize it, we simply click Always On Display. As you can see now, it's currently pretty boring. So we can enable, so we can show our lock screen wallpaper. So now it will be more interesting. If you would have a very specific person, for example, we could also check to erase background to only see, for example, a man on the first in the focus. However, we don't have this type of wallpaper right now. We can also customize when we want to show it, because normally you have to show it using a single tap. So when I tap once, that's my Always On Display, and when I tap twice, that's my lock screen. But we can also change it to be, for example, as always. So whenever I turn off my screen, I will be always my screen will always be in Always On Display mode. And going back, we can even change it so it only flashes and it only works when we gain new notifications. I will stick to Tap to Show, as it gives me more control over it. And the last thing we can actually customize is Now bar, which we can simply enable or disable, so it can be easier and more simpler on the eyes. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.